Okay, what you're going to learn in this tutorial is how to make a side-scroller AI that's able to adapt to its environment. So I'm going to click the preview button. You're going to learn how to make a forward sensor as well as a down sensor. When the forward sensor detects something in front of it, the AI will jump. When the down sensor doesn't detect something underneath of it, that will make the opponent character jump. If there's spaces in the ground, the opponent AI will know how to jump over those spaces, as you can see here. So some pretty cool stuff. Okay, once you have your programming set up, you'll also learn how to hide your forward sensor as well as your down sensor so that it looks like your opponent AI knows how to adapt by itself to the environment that it's interacting with. Okay, so what we're going to do is click our preview button. And I can see there's going to be an issue here. We need the character to be able to, so let's copy, paste. Paste. Let's see how this goes. Oh, look at that, the character made it through. Excellent. Okay, what we want to do now is make it so you can't see our forward sensor as well as our down sensor. So I'm going to click on New Scene and Events. See where we have these hide the object, go left, hide the object, go right. What we're going to do is left click so that this hide the object, go left is selected. We're going to right click, select copy. We're going to hover right over this add action. We're going to right click and then select paste. We're then going to do the same thing. When I say the same thing, I mean hover over add action, then right click and select paste. And the reason why we did that was just, again, for time's sake. Like before, the copy and paste and just speeds up things as far as programming, as far as time. So what we're going to do is double click here. We're going to backspace over to go left, and then we can see our FS, which stands for our forward sensor. So we'll left click there. We'll then click OK. We'll go to this action right here, double click, backspace. We'll then scroll down, then select DS, which is stands for our downward sensor. We'll click OK. Okay, so with that done now, let's click the preview button. And now you can see that the forward sensor as well as the down sensor are now hidden. Okay, one other thing that we can do that's pretty cool is we can click on New Scene. We can go to Ground, double click on Ground, go to Behaviors, and right now we have a platform behavior on Ground. We can click this plus button to the right, and then we can go to Draggable Object for a new behavior to be added. So we'll left click here, and now you can see we have this behavior Draggable added to our ground sprite. So now we'll click Apply. Okay, and what that allows us to do is if I hold the middle mouse button here, if I left click here, right click, select copy, right click, select paste. I'm actually going to make this smaller. Make this smaller, and I'll put these next to here. I'll right click, then select paste. I'll left click here, right click, copy, then right click, paste. So now we have these 4 new pieces of ground here, and we added a draggable behavior to this ground. Okay, so what that means is when we click the preview button, let me go out and make this in view. So as our opponent character goes along, we can grab things like this and like this and actually move things. So in a way you can almost make your own, game in a game. It's kind of fun to move these things around. Okay, so I'm going to click to come out of that preview. Okay, so I'm going to just arrange these new pieces some. Okay, this should work except for right here. So I'm going to left click, right click, copy, right click, paste. I'll put this here like this. Let's see how our player character handles this. Not our player character, our opponent character handles this. Okay. Okay, so now you know how to make an opponent that has its AI adapt to the environment in a side scroller. Okay guys, that's it for the tutorial. For all of those of you out there who like the videos on this channel, we share them. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. And for those of you who are new to this channel, if you like the videos on this channel, you would like to see more, please subscribe, and thank you for viewing.